Look at that. I was shopping today at Walmart and the weather is so bad. Look at the front of my car, full of ice. It was snowing with hail and wet snow. Now it's freezing, so the whole vehicle is covered with ice. Just look at that. I have to go out and clean my vehicle before I can actually start to drive home. So let's take a look outside. Terrible. I had no idea the weather is this so bad. The side of my car. Ice. So very full of ice. So I'm going to clean the whole vehicle first before I can drive home. It's moving now. At least I can drive home now. The side and the back. Well, there you go. The ice is moving again. See you later, my friends. The road condition is full of ice. Be safe, Toronto. If you don't need to go out, stay at home. It is dangerous to go outside. Just look at that. Full of ice. Good thing I have the winter tires. Winter tires save lives. I hope you install yours as well. Let's go outside, everyone, and check out the weather. Can you hear it? It is raining ice. Look at that. Wow. And underneath, hidden ice. Dangerous. And the view from inside the house to the back, you can see our griddle right there. And the date and the time. And the griddle. Look at that. Oh, it's ice.